Hello everyone, this is Bubu and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw one of the easiest drawing in my opinion, and this is going to be giraffes. Okay, these giraffes as you see in your screen, and this is the sketch I have. So let's draw it together. I promise you that it's very easy. Okay, be ready with your pencil or marker or anything you have with you. Okay, now just as usually I love to start everything with eyes. So I will start with the eyes. Two big circles as the eyes. Then I draw something like an oval, okay, as part of the face. Then I draw a nostril here and a mouth, and he's smiling. Very easy, right? And in this part it looks like a frog, but I promise you this is not a frog. Okay, then I will draw something like a big curve, like maybe half circle. That's it. Okay, so and giraffes also have this something that looks like a horn, but it's not pointy. Then, of course, they have ears. Okay, it's easy, right? That's it. So we finish with the head. And they are very famous for their long neck, right? So I will draw line down, long line down as the neck, and also they are known with their distinctive spots. So these are the spots. Okay, it's easy, right? Now I will draw another with a different position. This time I will draw it here. Okay, two big circles as the eyes, and part of the face is like an oval, and also half circle, and the horn. Okay, and the ears. Okay, wait, I forgot the nostrils, and also the face. So they are smiling at each other. It's like, what is it when you are talking with your friends, you are looking at each other and smiling at each other. Okay, and also the okay, it's finished. The spots. One more thing's missing there is the eyes, right? So they are looking at each other. It's like they are giving food. Easy, very easy. Okay, wait, I need this for the ears. Okay, easy. Then we finish actually with the drawing. Then of course I will color it, and I use different shades of brown for this one. So I will use this lighter brown, Okay, and this brown for the spots. And I will use yellow to blend everything. Of course, a cotton bud to smoothen everything. Okay, we are finished. Oh, I forgot Bubu. Bubu should be here, right? Okay, we are finished. This is very easy. And that's it for today. I will see you again in the next videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me and this channel. And I hope you also would like to check my other video tutorial. Bye for now. Bubu is checking out. Bye everyone.